Ophis u Block Development Officer Umsning C&RD Block ha rangkat ka jinge trelang bat ka Ophis u District Disaster Management Officer Ribhoi District mentaga sengi ka South Rig no pra ar hajar arpusan kala penlong ya ka program aji hikai syapang kumno banle habaki u Jumai lane kino ke jingling shop jong ke bor kamariang ha kan ni ka sengi shwa ka mock drill ha ka performance step la penlong shwa da ka program ka balengkot ha ka bala batai benya syapang ka kamram banle ha ki por baleng shop ki bor kamariang ya ka bala aji hikai da ka tanat disaster management officer nongpo ka ji hikai ha ka por plu ding lane training on fire safety ka bala aji hikai da ka fire and emergency service Ribhoi district ka jing hikai kumno banwa di ki jaka sumar kerki lane ka training on basic search and rescue and first aid ka bala aji hikai da ka tanat civil defense nongpo Ribhoi district ha kan ni ka sengi lai don lang da u BDO Umsning C&RD Block uba Marthong uba J Motho District Disaster Management Officer uba S Maulong Assistant Conservator of Forest Social Forestry Nongpo Division UI Islam Officer in Charge Umsning Police Station lembat kiwe ki officer bat kinong tre ka tanat ka koi ke khia kinong tre na ki tanat Forest Umsning Range kinong tre na ka Umsning C&RD Block lembat ki pulit ka Umsning Police Station.
Terus ke ding station itu tu, kalau nak pasang klip, kena tak ding malam, nak tayar klip, klip sama. Dia ni nak pasang klip, Ophis polisi, menjual di sini. Kena stiking this. Also, we have to solve the financial skill. They are on the way. Stop. Incidents commander. Incident commander here. Fire service has reported that two persons rescued after door also. Advance. Dalam semua ada itu. Lại truy chụp vào này. Start kita.
IPM.
Ambil instrumen sebenarnya